So, morning everybody, this is Cletus. I bought some random pack of cards off of the eBay and I'm going to open them for everybody and see if there's anything good. So, nice one. Not remembering that packs of just lands were a thing. I kind of think I just bought a bunch of lands, but they were all sealed, so I was hoping we'd get something fun. But whatever. Just lands, we'll delete this, nobody will ever see it. So, land. Bunch of weird kind of dual lands, but shit. Full page lands. Don't have any of them. Of course, don't really have any of this because I have not played in years. There's some kind of normal looking lands. Alright, yep. Kind of answers that question. Oh, hey, here we go. We got some actual other cards. Not sure what sets these are from because it was just random. But glad to get stuff that wasn't just land. So maybe I can build some decks to play with. Zombies, I like them. Used to have a cool zombie deck. Don't have a lot of white cards anymore. Don't have a lot of gold cards anymore. Sandworm, neato. Have to make a green deck for that guy. Double card. Cool. Well, I am pleasantly surprised. Let's see if we can keep it going. Let's see if I can figure out how to look at these. So, land. This one looks like a land pack. But, that one's pretty. Kind of good also, because if I didn't get any lands, I couldn't really make any decks or play. So, that's 3 out of 7. list. I don't know. We'll look at them later. Expecting to not be able to build too much of a real deck because I have not played in so long. I don't know what's going to be the norm. But if you don't try, you'll never know. In this one. Cool. Back to the camera. Oh, there's my man's pile. Let's go there. I've never seen magic cards sealed in the plastic cigarette wrapper looking packaging, but now I know. Now I know. Oh, why are island cards always so pretty to me? Yep. At least they're not all basic lands. Some of them are weird. Not quite the old dual lands, but gotta have something where you can play no cards. Alright, so 2 out of 5 had more than just land. Yeah, that's better than I was expecting after I realized land packs might be a thing. So, cool. Thanks for watching. Hopefully next time we'll get some better stuff. I do have another random box coming, and always looking for new stuff. See you next time.